What do you think of this, Chief?
Fucking sick, bro. I'm just trying to make sure I fit.
Let's hear it.
You see how much smoother now?
Yeah, way smoother. I feel the rear coming out.
Nah, it's good, bro.
Alright.
I've already done it, trust me. Oh, we didn't do the fan. Fuck. I don't know how it's gonna work now.
That's fine. We'll look at temps. I'll be watching your temps. Oh my god. This feels insane.
It's too much for this, to be honest.
Oh my god. I'm sorry, bro. I'm giggling because this is the craziest. It's so good.
Back to first.
Cooling temps are great, by the way.
Yeah, I'm saying it. Alright, chill out. That was rough.
I mean, you can still get the boost on straightaways.
No, I'm just saying. That was an undercover. You didn't see it?
Yeah.
I'm surprised at how well the Mercedes brakes are doing.
Yeah.
How about low boost, of course?
Yeah.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Why are they slowing up so much?
Probably the little brakes pulled down or something.
Ah,
You gotta remember, brake fade is real.
yeah. Anyway, I'll give it some momentum too. Because I know he cooks. If he's slowing down, there's a reason. He's going. Okay, that's
Oh, he
turn,
caught you.
turn,
Yeah,
turn,
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 turn.
turn.
Does it feel way better?
Yeah, 100%. Do you notice how it's smooth
Yeah.
while we're in low RPM?
Yeah, before it was horrific.
186, we're okay?
No, it's actually getting colder.
Yeah, we're doing great. It's hard to find the perfect RPM.
Yeah, I know. Honestly, this car has torque, so I think you're good.
Yeah.
And the turbo spools up quite quick.
For a 71? Hell yeah.
Actually, very quick. This is a PSR, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Dual ball bearing.
cavity. This will upset the balance.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there you go. Feel the vibrations. That's the brakes?
No, I don't think so. That's like transmission and everything.
Your car is OP on on cooling, bro.
Yeah, right.
You know, I just see it's still at 188.
And for the power and everything it makes, I mean, can't complain, bro.
Nice, dude.
Just doing a couple of these easy right now.
That was a wide open, bro. I'm sorry.
It was wide open.
Yeah, you had to take advantage of that.
Yeah. We can cool the brakes nicely when we get all the way down, too.
No, you already cooled them, dude. That's all I need, a little cool down.
Somehow.
Dude, no, I'm sorry, bro. Like this, even though.
No, because your car's better for this, straight up.
Oh yeah, but dude, your car just feels so dramatic. It gives a more fun factor. It feels like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
That's the best way I can put it. I still think the E85 will work for this.
Yes.
This is actually, it wasn't that
for
bad.
at least one pull?
No, you've been doing a bunch.
No,
of
I mean like one run. I mean,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That's just Miami roll racing coming out of me, you know?
Yeah. You're picking up rocks. That's how sticky those tires are right now. What tires are they? All around?
RT 660s.
All around?
255 front, 275 rear.
Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah. No wonder. Cool down.
No.
No.
What?
No.
Bro,
we're good. I'll wait.
Yeah. Just wait for the pull off, man. Come on.
I'm not gonna pass you.
No, man. You couldn't see if anyone was coming. He's crazy.
Yeah. It's fine. We can just relax the whole way.
Yeah.
That's it. All the Killboy photos.
Oh yeah.
Now we gotta say, what time is it? We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh my god, that thing is awesome. Wait, and now he doesn't pull over. Bro.
No, it's just 'cause remember, when you get on a motorcycle, if you're on a hill, you could drop it, you know, it's very like not easy, you get me? You also might just be learning, who knows?
Yeah.
It's fine, dude.
We can just wait, right?
Yeah, we'll just wait, it's fine.
Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, pause it.
Nah, bro, I want to get this reaction. Kevin,
Yeah.
how does it feel?
fucking amazing, dude.
For a car that's not meant to be on the drag.
Yeah, it really isn't. Like the car's more of like a all around roll racing, maybe circuit if you wanted to try, but for something this tight, it shouldn't be doing it.
Yeah, and it's actually doing it pretty well.
Yeah.
You
like as long as you have self control, it treats you nice. That's all you need.
It does. And then, let's see those temps after all those rips. What do we got?
Well, the oil temp is wrong.
Oil temp is wrong, but oil pressure, everything else looks fine.
Yeah.
It's behaving pretty good.
Pressure, you can tell it was cooking a little bit though, because it dropped a little bit. It idles usually around 28, 29, 30.
Yeah, but that's to be expected. It's still good.
Why is he annihilating the freaking mustard, bro? Jesus, you're on a motorcycle.
No, yeah, but don't get on his ass though. You gotta give him space. Motorcycles always. Yeah, but I don't understand that.
Got it?
Terrible. Does it work out for you right now?
Hell yeah.
Honestly, it's keeping you in check though.
peacock? What?
Well, that's a turkey.
Oh.
Maybe.
Did you get that?
No, I didn't. I don't know what the fuck that was. He was like, you know what? I'm good.
I'm smelling brakes, so chill out.
Yeah, I smell brakes. Yeah, like, actually chill out. Not like Florida and just regular
I
cruising.
said I was taking that a little hard there. That's what I was saying, like, thinking of brakes, tires, all of it. It's a big car, man.
The car feels insane.
Yeah, bro.
I think it was well worth bringing this car like 1,000%.
Yeah,
ISF is nice because okay, saves you.
It's
you're
cracked.
good. But
For
this,
this though, the ISF is fucking good.
but I'm sorry, bro. I prefer this. I prefer this 100%.
More of an experience, way cooler.
This is not just cooler, dude. It's not the cool part. It's just it's very exciting. It's very like
Yeah.
which ISF is best ISF. Like this is like a one-of-one car, dude.
No, but I mean just in general experience, like of me driving the F here,
Yeah,
the F 100% does this better.
I agree.
Because
I
it's
agree.
just newer car, better chassis, bigger brakes, it's got it all. And less power, so it's more manageable here. It's NA, more easy response. But this is a fucking riot.
This is. So this is what the back of an MDX looks like. If you zoom in closely, you can see the badge right there. Oh my god.
I guess we're pulling off brakes without trying to. Jesus Christ,
Oh my
mustard
God,
and
mustard.
later.
How are your arms feeling, dude?
Pretty good. I think I got used to it from yesterday.
Nice.
I'm gonna keep driving down to cool them.
Yeah. No, we're right here already.
Yeah, but don't you think keep going?
No, right here, dude. The
Okay.
brakes are cool.
I mean, yeah, thanks to the MDX.
Look
they're
at
probably
these
cool.
guys, bro. Look at, all right, damn, there you go.